Do you want to know how you can log into your Quant Mutual Fund account? If yes, then you've come to the right place. Hello and welcome to Tech Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Quant Mutual Fund account. Go ahead and open Chrome or as browser on your PC, go to the Google search bar and then search for Quant Mutual Fund login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to this page where you can see login. Go ahead and click login if you are logging into your account. If you don't have an account and want to register, go ahead and click one of these. Go ahead and click login as you want to log into your account. Now you can log in using your email address and your username. So go ahead and write down your username in this box and then write down your password in another one. After you write down your password, go ahead and check your password by clicking on this icon. So make sure your password and your email address is correct and then click submit. This way you can log into your Quant Mutual Fund account quite easily. If you have forgotten or want to fetch your password, go ahead and click on this link and it will make it easy for you to recover your password. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.